We're back again. Thanks for tuning in and checking this video out. It's Keith. June's over there cleaning some snow off this bug. And today we're going to show you how to fix, I guess it would be like a fertilizer spreader or an aggregate spreader. We use it for salt, for the snow, and we also use it for fertilizer in the summertime. And what happened is the axle quit turning on the last snowstorm, and it's because a pin broke over here where the tires go. These tires sit on here, and you can see the hole right there all the way through it. And that tire sits on that axle, and that pin goes right through it. So the pin broke. If this tire doesn't turn, it doesn't turn your main drive gear. So our job today is to fix this thing. Instead of buying a new one or fixing the axle, we're going to try to bang it out of here instead of drilling it out. So we're going to throw a little bit of heat to it and see if we can torch it out of there and get it out that way. It might be just easier. So we've got this the spreader flipped upside down. June's got a sledgehammer. He removed all the spacers and everything. June has a sledgehammer, well, not a sledgehammer, actual ball hammer, and he's got a pin on all. Knock this set pin out. And let's move you guys a little straighter and see if, in fact, if we can go ahead and get this out of here. And I'm going to heat it up with this propane, this quick torch. Nothing here is plastic, so nothing's going to bend, melt or bend. It's pretty thick steel. And we went ahead and we sprayed this PB blaster on there.
Soaked it overnight.
Yeah, he sprayed it last night, let it soak, so I'm going to put a little bit on now, even though I'm going to burn it up. But we're going to see if we can get it just to penetrate down in there and knock it out with this awl. Try to get it pretty hot so we can break that, get it hot so we can break that rust free. Yeah. Keep heating it up. Let's get it hot. It should come out. All right, let's try it like that. I'm gonna lend a little support here. It's got some bounce to it. Better to take the whole axle off. Let's see if we can just hold this board under my knee here and get him a little bit more straightness to it. Moving. All right. Let me add a little bit of juice to it again. It's almost out, but we need this board under here. I'm going to put the board a little bit off to the side of it. There you go, boom. We got it out. That saves it a lot more trouble. This tire and these spacers back on, and we'll add another. You got it stuck in there. Here, let me see it. So we're gonna run this spacer here, then a washer, back with this tire, and June's gonna go and grab a pin. And I'll show you guys what we did here. Hollywood's over here with his dog. And you can see now, you can see a hole straight through it right here. We got that set pin out, and it's gonna line up with this hole once we bring that tire over here. Wait till this cools down and you'll melt this rim. This rim's just plastic. And it's not very hot anymore. And we'll go ahead and turn that slightly. And boom, those two line up and we'll get our pin right back in there and get this thing set. We're just going to use a cotter pin. You want to show them what you got? Is that too big, June? This is just a big old cotter pin here. If this won't go through, that one was kind of like a split pin. If this won't work, we can just spread this open and just use half of it and bend it on both sides just to get us through for now.
That's what was in it.
This is what was in it?
Yeah.
Will it fit through?
It'll drive through. It'll be tight.
Huh?
It'll be tight, but this should go.
All right, so let's line these back up again. Okay, there you go. Boom, just like that. He's gonna bend these sides down there. Back to new. Back to new, that quick.
Get you through another season.
Yeah, it'll get us through another 10 years. This thing will rot out before anything.
I remember I fixed this a while back. It's been a while.
So what, you need another pin on that side too?
It just takes this clip.
Okay, that's just got the clip on it. He just pulled the little cap off and that holds it on, and we're gonna go ahead and put another one on this side.
Don't have a hole there. Look.
Yeah, no hole on this side, so this side doesn't take a pin. This is your drive wheel. That's why it's got a pin in it.
Good to go.
Fill these up with some air, and we're good to go. So hopefully that helps you. And tune in. Thanks for doing all your stuff. Hollywood's dog, June, Hollywood. You guys, we love you. Fix that spreader. Don't throw it away. They cost too much money, and we're out. Later. All right, so we fixed that tire, got that shear pin out of there, the cotter pin, and we're good. Good as new. So fix it yourself, save that money. I always say, get some of it, save that money.
I'm not a pig, I'm a lawyer.